Caps and gowns replacing the prison orange.
Yay!
And the cheers are loud.
Woo, jeez!
Incarcerated women line the prison yard to celebrate a milestone that took more than a year to reach.
What a year, what a year, what a year, but we did it!
These women are graduates of the Prison Fellowship Academy, an intensive year-long program of hard work, self-reflection, and personal transformation.
We honor you today and celebrate you today. Welcome to your own graduation.
It is designed to help participants confront the choices that brought them to prison and begin building a different future.
As I entered my 40s, I made the decision to change my life. For the first time, I began to understand who I was in God's eyes instead of who my mistakes said I was. I no longer believe my life is over. Instead, I believe God has been preparing me for a greater purpose.
This is the 8th Prison Fellowship Academy graduation at Mabel Bassett Correctional Center. 24 women crossing the stage after months of difficult conversations, personal accountability, and learning to see themselves and their futures differently.
And I'm really proud of you ladies. Better than yesterday.
Not done yet.
Not done yet.
A promise that the person they were yesterday does not have to define who they become tomorrow.
Support, unity, love, compassion, friendship, and encouragement are just some of the things that I've gained from my PFA community. I love you guys.
It is a faith-based transformation. Today, they leave the academy as graduates.
And we just honor you from the bottom of our hearts for the work that you have put in to graduate.
Carrying with them something no prison wall can take away: hope.
Congratulations, Cohort 8. We did it.
Yay!